guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be trolling with the teleportation balls. So basically my plan is that we're gonna get some oh, they're right there. So we're gonna take one of these and we're gonna get one of these. We're gonna go over to some kid, tell him to activate this. He'll activate it and he'll put it in the backpack. I'll take the backpack to I'll take like a rocket or something. And I'll take a rocket and I will, yeah, right there. Then there'll be then I will drop it. Then of course I'm gonna go real fast and sell them. So that's kind of the plan for today's video. Let's get into it.
You know, wait, you have to.
Okay.
You know how to make the items bigger?
We're here.
Just the quiver.
Yeah, but I think they removed
So
it.
let's put the plan into action.
And how do people still have it?
Okay.
I don't know. So you want to put it in here.
Boom.
Then you gotta put the
Bam.
quiver like on your back. And
Yo,
then whatever item that you
Yo,
want to
Black.
make big, you gotta put it on
Black.
the right side of
Can
your
any
hand.
of you
and then you gotta click the
Okay.
cleaver and then put it inside like the little
I see
slot.
how it is. Can you activate this for me, please? Yeah, activate that. Thanks. I'm gonna use that.
Where you about to
Oh,
go?
wait, no. Oh, wait, show me. Can you show me? I'm confused. I'm still.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Don't you dare.
Where are you? Pink, where are you? Lobby.
Put that in there.
No one steal my.
Teleport. I'm in. Okay. Oh, what the heck? The lady? Ah. Got him. Okay. Sorry about my laugh. It's very goofy. Okay, that was funny. At least for me, not for him. That was funny.
I have a toaster ball.
I just have a cooldown.
Who stole my loot?
You need
Bro,
two
whoever told me,
teleport balls.
whoever put me inside your teleport
Orange,
ball back,
can you activate
guess
this
what?
for me?
You just landed me into hell and.
Orange, can you activate this for me?
I'm so sick. Please help me.
Yeah, activate that.
I'm using it for something else. I like
Idiot.
I ain't
Can
getting
you
I
activate
ain't
this
letting
for
you
me?
I
use
am
me.
so
I ain't
offended.
letting you be
activate
my
that.
Pokemon. Thank you,
Yeah.
bro. Thank you, okay?
I am
I
so
need this, okay?
No, can you
No,
activate that and give it to me?
Don't.
Or at least I have a wife, unlike you little.
Can you activate? Yo, Green, can you activate this for me?
At least I have a father.
Help me to fund
I
the
still have
ball,
a.
which is
Oh,
Okay.
come on. That little
At least my
brat.
Can
Dang.
anybody help me to?
Oh.
Can anybody help me to fund the
come
vault?
on.
Orange,
Give me
orange.
that.
It's my first time trying to fund the vault.
Yeah, I got one.
No, I
Now I
don't.
should be able to teleport with that.
People who heard a freaking nuke could go off and steal it. That was mine. Something blew it up.
Guys, can anybody help me?
Okay.
Just why? Why?
Okay, man.
I'm trying to shoot you that purple crystal, but I failed.
That was such a stupid way to die. Okay, man.
Can anybody help me?
Okay. What the actual? Where is it? Where the heck did I die? Hello? Oh, there it is. I only want the backpack. Okay, I'm an evil man. But I mean, it's for the views. I'll do it. I'm gonna teleport in there and grieve his. Okay, you ready to see him fall? Bye bye. Bye bye. Yes. Nice. Got him. I could use that firework to get back to spawn. What the heck is in here? Nope. Yo, Pink, can you activate this for me, please?
Oh, wait.
Activate that.
Wait. Hey, don't mess that up, please.
Activate
Look.
this. Pink,
Look, it's a
activate this.
flashlight. It's an OG flashlight. Man,
Oh my God.
it's an OG flashlight.
Activate this. Activate this.
Hey, you need bags too. I put it in this bag. There you go.
Oh, nice.
The OG bag.
Can I have my stuff back in storage? But I got it. Can I have my
Okay.
stuff back in storage?
Can someone give me something? I'm new. Yo, is this a flashlight backpack?
You messed it up. That's mine.
Okay. This kid's cooked. I don't feel bad either. Come on, man.
Whoever stole my pickaxe, your family doesn't love you.
Oh, God. What the heck is that?
Dead.
Okay. Bye-bye, little Jimmy. Yeah, you can kind of see him down there. Okay. You can hear him scream through the microphone. That's funny.
Yo, can you give
Can
me
someone
something
give
for
me a
free,
good
Yellow?
pickaxe?
Can someone
Someone
give
give
me
me a
something
good
for
pickaxe.
Yeah, can you activate this, please?
Can you give me something for free?
I'm still going.
You.
Activate that and give it back.
Can you give me something for
Thanks.
free?
Yo, who
Oh,
wants
dang
to
it.
play football with me? I got
Hold up.
football in the lava area.
Can
Yo,
someone
yo.
give me a good pickaxe?
Yo,
Can
Whoever
you
stole
open
my
this?
diamond pickaxe, go
Can
kill
you like
yourself.
Here.
crack it open? Like
purple. Here. It will be my
It's
Pokemon.
gonna
I'll give
teleport
you
me.
something for being
Just press
so
the
kind.
press the thumb button. This one.
No, would you be my Pokemon?
okay. Yo, Red, can you activate this?
No, I'm sorry.
Red,
I can't.
Can
activate.
somebody give me a diamond pickaxe?
Purple, activate this. Something cool would happen.
I'm country.
No.
Yeah,
Wait,
he's the
wait.
person I did it to before.
The
Yo,
person I put
green.
all into or whatever
Activate this,
to be a
something would
Pokemon,
happen.
don't put me in the water, please.
Okay. Black.
I
Can
won't
somebody get me a diamond
Hey, the one
pickaxe?
who put
I'm
me in
already
the
telling
couch?
activate.
Who's the one who put me in the couch?
You should activate this.
How would you date? Who said that
Oh.
to me?
Okay. Well, he's gone.
Whoever is my
Yo, Black,
whoever I'm showing
activate
Pokemon,
this.
can you please teleport me somewhere
What?
random?
Activate
please?
this.
Don't worry, I won't kill you.
Can I have that back? Nice.
Just teleport me.
let
I
me
don't
get
care if
some
I'm in the water or
blackberries.
something.
Eat the pumpkin. No, sell the apple pie. Sell the
Okay.
apple pie. Okay.
This time I will blow him up.
But I won't.
Ow. Whoa. How do I kill him? Hey, buddy.
All you guys.
I'll burn him to death. Yeah.
And whoever said so,
Okay, that's
the
pro gamer.
So
Okay.
where the couch is? Someone place me on top of the map where a random couch was. No, me too.
Dead. I think I see his dead running corpse.
I'm not dead.
Oh God.
Can someone spawn me?
I'm out of here.
Can someone spawn me?
Get me out of here. Get me out. He's not dead. How is he not dead? That should have killed him.
Well, you be my
Probably don't
Pokemon.
even have one. I just want to see it just to make sure. Be my Pokemon.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. If you want to know my fan code, it is just my YouTube channel name. So yeah, I might be in there. I go in there for live streams, like giving away stuff, and my next live stream on giving away stuff is probably gonna be giving away free briefcases because I have like 50 of them. So if you want to be in that live stream, you can like subscribe and do the bell thingy so you can get notified when like I start it. That will be it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day. Bye bye.